There was a time when my bank balance scared me more than my future. I lived paycheck to paycheck, checking my account before buying even the smallest things, hoping nothing unexpected would happen. No savings, no safety net, no clear plan. Just stress, excuses, and the quiet fear that this would be my life forever. What makes this story different isn't luck, inheritance, or a sudden miracle. It's the uncomfortable truth that financial freedom didn't start when I made more money. It started when I changed the way I thought about money. For years, I believed the lie that financial freedom was only for people with high salaries, business degrees, or perfect timing. I told myself I'd start saving once I earned more, invest when things felt stable, and learn about money when life slowed down. But life never slowed down. The bills kept coming and the excuses kept growing. The turning point came on an ordinary day. I checked my account and realized I had nothing left again. No emergency fund, no progress, no peace. That moment forced a hard question. If nothing changes, where will I be in 5 years? The answer terrified me more than any risk ever could, so I started small, almost painfully small. I tracked every single dollar, not to punish myself, but to face reality. I learned where my money was actually going, not where I hoped it was going. That awareness alone changed everything. Every unnecessary expense I cut wasn't deprivation, it was freedom in disguise. A coffee I skipped was $1 I was paying to my future self. Next came discipline. Not the dramatic kind you see online, but the quiet, boring kind that happens daily. I paid myself first, even when it felt impossible. A small automatic transfer to my savings account was non-negotiable. I built an emergency fund before chasing flashy investments. I learned the critical difference between looking rich and being financially secure. Then I focused on increasing my income. Not overnight, not recklessly, but intentionally. I invested in learning high-value skills, said yes to opportunities that scared me, and stopped trading my time for money alone. I began to understand that wealth grows faster when your income has room to scale. Whether it was a side hustle, negotiating a raise, or learning a new skill, every step was a deliberate move toward a bigger goal. Mistakes happened. Oh, they definitely happened. I made bad decisions, trusted the wrong advice, and learned some lessons the hard way. There were times I wanted to quit and go back to just getting by. But instead of giving up, I adjusted. Every failure became data, not defeat. That mindset shift was crucial because financial freedom isn't a straight line, it's a process of constant improvement. As my savings grew, something unexpected happened. My stress shrank. Money stopped controlling my emotions. I slept better. I made decisions based on logic, not panic. The freedom wasn't just financial, it was mental and emotional. I finally felt like I was in the driver's seat of my own life. Eventually, my investments started working harder than I did. Passive income began to replace my dependence on a single paycheck. Time became mine again. I wasn't rich overnight, but I was free. Free from fear, free from debt. Free from the constant pressure of what if. Today, financial freedom doesn't mean unlimited spending. It means unlimited choice. It means saying no without guilt, taking breaks without anxiety, and planning the future with confidence instead of fear. It means knowing that money is a tool to build the life you want, not a trap that keeps you stuck. If you're starting with zero savings, I want you to know this. Your current situation is not your final destination. You don't need perfection, privilege, or a massive income to begin. You just need honesty, patience, and the courage to start before you feel ready. This journey isn't about money alone, it's about reclaiming control over your life. And if I could go from zero savings to total financial freedom, step by step, so can you. Your story can change. The moment you decide to act is the moment everything begins. Thanks for watching. If this video resonated with you, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more content on building a life of freedom. See you in the next one.